Draw a sky and a ground. Add layers. And layers are multiple objects in the sky. Pick one color for the base. Add a tiny bit of black and some white. With some yucky paper underneath, paint your base color. Add a touch of green to the white and paint your first tint. Add a touch more green and paint. Smooth brush. With just a touch of black, mix it in with your green and paint the next section. Add just another touch of black to make the next section color. And let's do another shade with more black. You can do as many tints or shades as you need. Fill all of your sections with different values. I'm going to add just plain black to make my road, and that completes the land part. A different color and add white. And paint your first section just with your color. Then add a little bit of orange to your white, paint the next section. And a tiny bit of black to make my shade for the background. I had to make more of my shade color, so you might want to make a lot if you're doing a big space. Smooth out your edges, and then I'm using white with just a tiny bit of my shade color to make my moon. You can paint it any color you want. Have fun!